Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Aswandi. I'm major Matika level 2. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now. I'm really too.
It sounds like you got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.
Morning.
Morning. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache.
How long have you had the symptoms?
About 3 days now. I'm really tired too.
It's all like you got the flu. Take aspirin. Take aspirin 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Tell me if you are still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.